In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a group text on your iPhone. Group texts are a convenient way to chat with multiple people at once. To get started, open up the Messages app on your iPhone and then tap on this button at the top right corner of the screen. Then either type in the phone number of the contact or the contact name. Select the contact. If contacts are saved on your phone, tap on the plus button and select them one by one. Once you've added all the contacts to the group chat, simply send them a text message to create the group chat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.